Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to record your screen on Motorola phones. So here I have a Motorola G85 5G, but it's the same also for other Motorola phones. And if you want to record your screen, just go to the top to the control center and here swipe to the right. And here we have screen record. Now tap on it and here we have some options. You can select entire screen or for a single app, and also you can record audio. You can select microphone, system sound, mic and system sound, or you can check mute. I will let mic and system sound. And also you can enable or disable the frontal camera and the touch points. Okay, I will enable the frontal camera and now just tap start recording. In 3, 2, 1, we'll record. Okay, and here I have the frontal camera. Okay, and now if you tap here on this arrow, we have a small menu, and you can enable a little pencil, and you can draw on the screen with this one, and also you can do the undo option. And if you don't use it, you can disable it. Also, you can tap here and disable the microphone. And we have here an icon from the frontal camera, and if you tap on it, you will disable also that camera. Okay. If you want to put on pause, just tap here, and now the screen will not be recorded. Okay, and if you want to record again, just tap on the play icon, and now it's recording. Okay, when your record is finished, just tap here on the red square, and now it's over. Okay, now to see what I recorded, just go to the Photos app. Here there is, and here tap on collections. Here we have screen record, and this is what I recorded. Okay, and here I have the frontal camera. Okay, and now if you tap here on this arrow, we have a small menu, and you can enable a little pencil, and you can draw on the screen with this one, and also you can Okay, so this was the video. Also, I want to show you some other options. I will go again to the control center, and if you push it long on the screen record, from here you can select the viewfinder size. You can select large or small that frontal camera. Okay, also you can select the resolution and frames per second. You can select 60 frames per second. You can modify the record time limit. Now it's unlimited, but you can select 5, 10, 40 or 60 minutes, and also the file size limit. And you can enable or disable to record the touch points. Okay. So this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.